SLNO.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Made it to a Friday. All right. We're just starting off here looking at SIEN. Not seeing a whole lot of activity right now. LSDI, good volume this morning. Good spread. See what kind of activity we have. Not seeing anything on that yet. We're going to keep that on the radar. Let's look at FTCH. FTCH, good volume, good spread. We'll keep that on the radar. Some of our indices this morning. If I can get, let's see here. Look at the mini NASDAQ. I can get the mini NASDAQ down to 130, 138.82. Nope, let's make that. Yeah, let's make that 138.82 and a half. I may sell that mini NASDAQ. Let's go ahead and let's mark that. Or if we take out 139.57, let's mark that. All right, 139.57, I'm going to watch. Or buy 138.82 and a half. Getting NASDAQ. All right, I'll keep an eye on that. All right, let's see. Mini Russell, not seeing anything on Mini Russell. That's just going up. The E-mini S&P going up. Don't see anything yet on that. Oops. Check out gold. Not seeing anything yet on gold. Natural gas. Yeah, nothing on natural
Dear A,
gas and one more crude oil. Let's look at crude. I don't see anything on crude either. All right, let's go back to our stocks. Let's see what we have on stocks. So far, pretty quiet morning. All right, let's see stocks. ATNF. I like ATNF. I'm going to buy a little bit of ATNF. I'm going to start off with a couple hundred shares. ATNF. Bought it at 129. Nope, sorry, bought it at 124. 124. All right, let's get some targets. All right, first target, well, 130. Also seeing a target of 133. $138. I got rebuy patterns. All right. And at 124, see if we can get up to these upper levels. Looks like we may have already hit 130. That was pretty quick. All right. Good morning, Glenn. How are you, sir? So watching us on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, if you hit that notification bell, that'll keep you updated on any of our newly released videos. Just a little disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only. I'm just demonstrating my unique approach to trading that I've used for the last 35 years. Pretty simplistic in the sense I only use 4 specific patterns. And I use something we call the Einstein formula. Einstein provides us with profit targets. Each one of these have the probability of hitting over 70%. And to learn more, I have plenty of videos on my YouTube channel, Innovator Trading Strategies. Talks more about patterns, we talk about Einstein. Also, I am not a trading advisor. I do not give trading advice, and I definitely don't trade money for anybody. I am just demonstrating and showing you my way of trading. I finally started teaching this to the public just a few years ago. I have not released this for the last 35 years because I want to show people there is an easier way of trading. You don't have to make trading complicated. And the beautiful thing about that is the learning curve is a lot less. Though the more you learn about the markets, the better trader you're going to become.
AGBA.
You have to understand market action. That's a big part of anything. The tools can definitely give you an edge, but having an edge doesn't mean you're going to be successful. So you got to put time into studying the markets. But having good tools can definitely help shorten that learning curve. All right, never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Always remember, trade in a simulator before you trade real money. Never just start out trading in a live account. Make sure you can make money in a simulator first. If you can't make money in a simulator, folks, you're not going to make money in a real account, because when you start trading real money, there's additional pressures on you. All right, so keep that in mind. Also, if there's a particular stock or commodity or even a Forex currency pair you want me to take a look at, I'd be glad to run it across my analysis, see if I see any patterns setting up. Then if I do, then we can run Einstein, see if we have some levels. All right, just in ATNF, small share size, 200 shares. You're getting, okay, so Glenn, you're getting smoke from the Canadian wildfires. Wow. That's amazing.
AGBA.
All right, so far, folks, that's pretty typical for a Friday. All right, so we have about a little bit more than 15 minutes to go here before the opening bell.
GSIT.
But get some activity. I'm looking at this, see what kind of reports we have out today. We have Fed Chair Powell speaking today at 11 o'clock Eastern. That's definitely going to put some volatility in the market. Just kind of keep that in mind. I love reports, creates a lot of volatility and a lot of opportunities to take advantage of that. Yeah, I do agree with that, Glenn. Yeah, while you're learning to trade, always have a second source of income. Don't just jump into trading and try to make it a full-time job. When you can double your salary trading, then maybe consider it. If you can do both, never hurts to have that extra income. You don't have to spend a lot of time in front of the charts. I think the ideal time to trade, particularly stocks, first thing in the morning, first few hours. And if you like Forex, Forex is good in the it's also good in
NERV.
the evening, typically anytime after 8 p.m. Eastern time. I do like trading Forex. Not seeing much. Let's look at LSDI. On the LSDI, FTCH. Once again, I'm keeping an eye on FTCH.
GSIT.
I don't like it. ENVB.
AGBA.
Now, GSIT, that was on our radar. Let's look at GSIT.
GSIT.
GSIT, we did a little bit of GSIT. I do see some opportunities. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. You have a little bit longer term targets. I'm just going to go light because I've already missed a couple entries. All right, I'm in GSIT, just bought it here at 68. Once again, going light.
AGBA. GSIT.
Okay, so I do see a 76, which we just hit. Looking at a little bit longer term here. Let's see.
GSIT.
All right, you see an 82. Wow, okay. And I have one up here, way up here at 710. All right. So small position on ATNF, small position on GSIT. ASA coming down, coming down. Could get some nice buying in here on WISA. I just don't see it yet for my pattern. So gonna stay away from that, but you could see some buying here around 26, big size orders. See if there's any opportunities on SIEN, definitely on the radar the other day. It's not a lot of interest in there right now. And no volume, no volume. SDA. Not quite seeing on SDA. I think SDA is going to come down a little bit more. I think SDA is going to come down a little bit more. All right, we'll keep an eye on SDA. Let's see how far down I think SDA can go. I think it can come down around 674. Around 674.
GSIT.
My GSIT is on the move. Want to quickly look at that mini NASDAQ. Still looking for it to come on down. Like to see maybe get a short around that 82.5. All right, let's look at our GSIT. All right, GSIT hit target number 2. I do have one additional target up there. Can we see it? Yeah, there we are. 710. We also, let's see, what else we have here? ATNF. Nothing yet on ATNF. All right, so about another 4 minutes before the opening bell. Once again, just like JDST yesterday, would expect GSIT and or ATNF maybe to have a little pop to the upside after the opening, and we'll look to get out of it. GRM, no, that's too pricey for me. Stay away from GRM. All right, just gonna watch GSIT. See if we can get that thrust to the upside on the opening after the opening on GSIT. All right, a little bit more than a minute to go here. Yeah, Glenn, I don't see anything on gold right now. I'm watching gold. I don't really like to trade gold on Friday. It's a slow mover, and I don't want to carry it really over the weekend. So I may not put anything on gold. Probably stay away from gold. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here, folks. You're going to see the scanner be talking a lot here in about another 5 seconds. Dow's expected to open up higher. Yeah, 47.
RVPH, SFT, ACHV, NERV, YCBD, APEI, RMBL, XBIT, AIP, AKYA, CRESY, AGBA, BFI, CMPO, AMPG, SINT, WKSP, SILX, ZEV, BIOC, MPAA, NETI,
Watching GSIT establish small
CME,
position, 200 shares.
CSSE, CMLS, CONN, AEHL, CSSE, AMPG.
Still in also ATNF.
OGCP,
AMPG,
Right, he hit the 130 target. See if we can get up to 133.
MODD, CMPO, CMPS, RSLS. Dear AIM,
On ATNF.
CMPS. Dear Anne.
Watching GSIT. See if we can get a little bounce on this GSIT.
CMLS. GTEC.
APNF, pretty slow. Slowly working its way up. Okay, it's back past 30. Let's see. $33.
PLSE.
All right, gone through 33.
APEI.
So we can get up to 38. Let's start it up, 38. See if we can get up there. If not, I'm going to get out. Not seeing. Come on, let's see some strength. Yeah, 135. Big seller, 135. Take a little profit here, get out of that. I'm out of the ATNF. All right, let's look at our GSIT.
CMPO. NETI.
Just a lot of selling coming in on GSIT. See if we can start popping up here. Let's see what we do. We can't start running. I'm going to go ahead and get out. All right, I'm going to get out of GSIT. I just don't like what I'm seeing here. Out of GSIT.
BIOC.
Let's take a look at our mini NASDAQ. All right, possible short coming up on this mini NASDAQ.
ACHV. Dear Ain.
You see a short on the crude. I don't want to touch the crude right now, though. All right.
OGCP, FISK.
Looking for a short down here of 138.82.5.
ZEV.
Nothing there yet. All right, let's see what else we have here. SDA, been watching SDA.
BIOC.
Nothing yet. SDA. I want to watch that SDA. We're going to keep an eye on SDA. Let's look at FTCH.
PLSE.
And LSDI.
WKSP.
GTEC. No. Not volume WASA, not enough volume. And let me take a look at that again. I mean, the volume is not bad. I see an
CUV.
opportunity for a buy in here. So basically what I'm doing, I'm looking through my,
NETI.
these were some of the higher volumes or the most active this morning on the stocks. Watching WISA, but I don't see an opportunity for me at least. Take that off. SIEN was one I've been watching for a while. Just don't like the action this morning on that. Stay away from that. PA, no go there. And the volume's so light here. OCTO. Spread's good, just, man, there's just no volume there. Yeah, looks like that wants to go lower. OCTO looks like it wants to go lower. SMFL. Just nothing there. Very quiet.
BIOC. WKSP.
Glenn, you really think gold's gonna go to 10, huh?
FISK.
Yeah, I'm just not seeing anything here, folks. See FTCH going a little bit higher here. A lot of volume. I know a lot of people are watching it. I do have some patterns. I wouldn't want to stay in this trade very long, though. All right, some targets on FTCH. All right, well, the first target I see would be 55.
NETI. CMPS. RVPH.
I'm seeing 555, FTCH. $50.
ACHV.
All right, let's see if we can get it moving. FTCH. Small position on FTCH.
RMTI.
All right, we're getting close to our short on this mini NASDAQ.
CMPS.
All right, well, I've got an alert sitting down there. If that goes off, I'm going to go ahead and sell this mini NASDAQ. 82.5. Don't have anything on the mini Russell. I will keep it on a mini Russell, but it's going to have to come down to
CU of E.
1794. 1794. Put an alert on that because I love the mini Russell. It's one of my favorite indices. Look at that mini Russell.
NETI.
Yeah, we come down to 1794. I'm going to be looking to sell also this mini Russell. Watch the mini NASDAQ getting close. FTCH not doing anything. Did buy a little bit of FTCH.
BIOC.
UCH. Nice. Come on, FTCH. Not looking for it to go too high.
WKEY. WKEY. WKEY.
Too big of a spread, WKEY, too big of a spread. Volume's very low.
BIOC. BIOC,
RETO, ERVN,
BIOC,
see anything on TRVN? OMH, ALIN, just going through some that are on my radar this morning. And that could pop up a little bit more, but I don't really want to get into it right now. I'd like to see a little bit more activity on ALIM.
WKEY.
PWD. My FTCH is moving, so I want to keep an eye on this. Past this first level up here of 50-51. Very quiet. Okay, I'm gonna sell the mini NASDAQ. Selling the mini NASDAQ. Hit my target, going short mini NASDAQ.
SILX,
Okay, I'm gonna look for a target down here at 130.45. 130.45 is gonna be my profit target. All right, 138.45 is going to be my target.
NETI, NETI, WKEY, BCTX,
All right, let's see what's going on.
WKEY,
FTCH is on the move. Lasted through 3 levels. Gonna watch it.
WKEY.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of FTCH. Took my profit on FTCH. Flat on FTCH. Well, the only thing I'm in is I'm short a mini NASDAQ. SDA is definitely on the move down. Let me come back and scalp that a little bit later on. Okay, once again, we'll short the mini NASDAQ. Looking for that 138.45 level. All right, so we are at the top of the hour again. That's going to wrap it up for this Friday. Also wrap it up for this week. I will do an update at the end of the day. We'll see how we did overall. Only thing I have on right now is I'm short this mini. I'm short this mini NASDAQ. I am watching the Russell though. I'll look at the Russell real quick. That's getting close to our entry, but I am still short the mini NASDAQ. Once again, target 138.45 is going to be my target. We're sitting at 85 right now. And that is going to do it. So if you'd like to learn more about the approach I've been
WKEY.
using for the last 35 years, you can find that at my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Also, plenty of
AKYA.
Innovative Trading Strategies. Everybody have a good weekend. Be safe. And hopefully we'll see you back first thing on Monday morning. Glenn, thanks again for all you do. And we'll see you next week.